Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and appliances. In today's video, we're excited to showcase our top 5 picks for the best kitchen carts. These carts are not only stylish and practical, but they also provide excellent storage solutions and extra countertop space in your kitchen. Whether you're looking for a mobile cart with wheels, a compact option for a small kitchen, or a multifunctional model that can serve as a prep station and bar cart, we've got you covered. We've spent hours researching and testing these carts to ensure that we're bringing you the very best options available. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 best kitchen carts. If you need more information about kitchen cart, follow the description link. Number 5. Amazon Basics 3 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Storage Shelving Unit. Product details. The Amazon Basics 3 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Storage Shelving Unit is an excellent storage solution for any home or office. With its sturdy construction and adjustable shelves, you can customize it to fit your specific needs. The unit is made of high-quality steel and can support up to 250 pounds per shelf, making it perfect for storing heavy items such as books, tools, and appliances. The shelves are also easy to adjust, so you can quickly reconfigure the unit as your storage needs change. Assembly is simple and requires no tools, so you can have this shelving unit up and running in no time. Overall, the Amazon Basics 3 Shelf Adjustable Heavy-Duty Storage Shelving Unit is a reliable and practical storage solution that is sure to make your life easier. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 4. Winsome Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cabinet Storage Cart. Product details. The Winsome Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cabinet Storage Cart is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen storage options. With its solid wood construction and beautiful finish, this cart adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. The spacious cabinet and single drawer provide ample space for storing all your kitchen essentials, while the top surface is perfect for food preparation or additional storage. The cart's wheels make it easy to move around, allowing you to position it wherever you need it most. Assembly is quick and easy, and the included instructions make it a breeze. Overall, the Winsome Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cabinet Storage Cart is a fantastic investment that is sure to make your life easier in the kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this cart is a must-have addition to your kitchen. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 3. Yamazaki Rolling Storage Cart. Product details. The Yamazaki Rolling Storage Cart is a versatile and practical storage solution for any home. With its sleek and modern design, this cart is not only functional but also adds a touch of style to any room. The cart's wheels make it easy to move around, allowing you to use it as a mobile storage solution. The sturdy metal frame provides excellent support, while the open shelves allow for easy access to your items. Assembly is quick and easy, and the included instructions make it a breeze. This cart is perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, or office, providing additional storage space wherever you need it most. Overall, the Yamazaki Rolling Storage Cart is a fantastic investment that is sure to make your life easier and more organized. Whether you're looking for a stylish storage solution or need a mobile cart for your items, this cart is an excellent choice that you won't regret. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 2. Hodedah Kitchen Island with Spice Rack. Product details. The Hodedah Kitchen Island with Spice Rack is a must-have addition to any kitchen. With its elegant design and practical features, this island provides ample storage space for all your cooking essentials. The island features a spacious cabinet, 2 drawers, and a convenient spice rack, allowing you to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. The solid wood construction ensures durability and long-lasting use, while the smooth wheels make it easy to move around your kitchen. Assembly is quick and easy, and the included instructions make it a breeze. The Hodedah Kitchen Island with Spice Rack is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen storage options and add a touch of style to their home. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this island is sure to make your life easier in the kitchen. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 1. Pipishell 3-Tier Mesh Utility Cart. Product details. The Pipishell 3-Tier Mesh Utility Cart is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile and practical storage solution. The sturdy metal construction provides excellent support, while the mesh design allows for easy visibility and access to your items. The cart's 3 shelves provide ample storage space for all your essentials, whether you're using it in the kitchen, bathroom, or office. The wheels make it easy to move around, allowing you to use it as a mobile storage solution. Assembly is quick and easy, and the included instructions make it a breeze. The Pipishell 3-Tier Mesh Utility Cart is not only functional but also adds a touch of style to any room. Whether you're looking for a modern storage solution or need a mobile cart for your items, this cart is an excellent choice that you won't regret. Overall, the Pipishell 3-tier mesh utility cart is a fantastic investment that is sure to make your life easier and more organized. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.